name of the game is consistency. That is the #1 ingredient in any equation, in any recipe for getting to where it is you want to be, where it is you want to be, not to where you're.
Hey guys, we're back at it, the city of Toronto, working on another gem. Drywall complete, taping has started. We're gonna take you from start to finish. Let's go take a look. There you have it guys, another project on the books. Clean cut corners to smooth walls and ceilings. Quality you can trust and service you can rely on. Day in and day out. Your satisfaction is our reputation.